Sigel may have went from the Broad Street bully to the Broad Street bandwagoner after Meek Mills exposed him on Instagram. During a sit-down tell-all interview with Tax Tone, Bean spoke on various topics. One in particular was his very opinion on the Meek Mill and Drake beef. Sigel expressed that he felt like Nicki played an intricate part in their beef. He then picked a random scenario saying, "In my point of view, you was laying in the bed one night and you rolled over and you looked at her cuz you asked her, you that and she ain't answer in the way you wanted to. That's what I think. I don't know, but that's my point of view." Well, Bean's POV had Meek Mill's HOT because he then took to Instagram to leak what many say was a private text from Beans to the Dream Chasers rapper. In the message alleged from Beanie Sigel, he said that rappers can't rap better than him. They had zero swag and it was really on the low. He continued to say that they're mad because Meek is a young fly Philly with a bad boss chick that stands for something and that he's the only one holding Philly down right now on some real. All before Beanie Sigel took a direct shot at my boy Lil Uzi. He wrote, "Uzi can't hold the city down. He wears pocketbooks with purple hair. It's strength in numbers." Ooh, Beans, you are so shady. Well, I guess the feel it in the air rapper is probably feeling like he shouldn't have opened his mouth. You know that Meek is so quick to screenshot you, but how do you guys feel about this one? Let us know below in our comment section or on Twitter using the hashtag BETBreaks. For more news, visit BET.com right now. I'm Jamela Mustafa at JMedia_, and you're now rocking out with us on BET Breaks.